How to blur a face in Capcut in PC and Mac. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna guide you that how you can blur a face in Capcut on PC and Mac, so let's dive in. First you have to import any video and then click this plus sign and add it to the track. Now you simply have to just copy this video by right clicking on it and then click copy. And then right click on the top and click paste. Now choose this top video and go to effects. In the effects, choose video effects, then lens, and then search for blur over here. Once you search for blur, it's going to show you these results. Just drag this blur that you like and add it to the top video. Now select the top video again. Once you select it, go to this mask option over here and select circle. And once you select the circle, you can just resize this circle on the face. And you can also adjust the blur effect. Now once you adjust the circle over here and you're happy with the blur, you can just go back and now you can just export the video over here by clicking over here. And that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.